Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you what is bump feature on Messenger and how to use it. So, when someone says they want to bump a post or message on Facebook, it means they want to bring it back to the top of the feed or conversation. In other words, they want to give it more visibility and increase the chance of others seeing it. On Facebook Messenger, bumping a message is a way to get someone's attention or to remind them about a specific conversation. It can be useful in cases where message might have been missed or overlooked. And how to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Messenger. You can open the conversation Messenger conversation, and you can choose the chat that you want to bump. For the example, I will choose this one. You can tap on hold on the chat like this. Tap on more. There is a more option. You can tap on three dots over there, and there is an option bump. You can tap on that. So now you can see there is a notification said that you bump your message. The message will be appear on the bottom of the chat conversation so they can see the chat again. So simple, right? You can bump more than one at one chat like this. There's an option bump. You can tap on that. So that is how to bump. What is bump feature on Messenger and how to use it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!